Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the screen refresh rate on your Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So swipe down until you guys see settings right here, and then go over to the display and touch. Here, what you guys can do is scroll a bit down, and right here at the bottom we have the smooth display. So now enable it, and you will definitely notice the difference between 60 and 120 Hz. You probably won't notice it in the video, but you will in real life. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.